supporting the statement by Senator Halwale on fake fertilizer. And just to add that maybe the committee should consider conducting an inquiry into the entire subsidized fertilizer thing. Because apart from the fake fertilizer that is being supplied, Mr. Speaker, we have issues around fertilizer subsidy. For instance, Mr. Speaker, this House, we passed the additional allocation money to our counties. I remember in my county, we passed 97 million shillings. This weekend, I was with my governor, and he said that they have not received that money. And the idea around it was that counties are able to buy fertilizer that suits their soil so that they can distribute to the farmers. But now we have an instant where we are passing money to the counties, but the national government is also venturing into a devolved function role, which is fertilizer subsidy. So that confusion is there. Mr. Speaker, I think it's also important to investigate the entire supply chain, because this fertilizer was supplied to National Cereals and Produce Board stores. Did they check that fertilizer? This fertilizer was approved by KEBS. What happened? Those are the questions that we need to ask before. And there was a supplier of this fertilizer to a National Cereals and Produce Board. Who is this person? So instead of going around in circles, Mr. Speaker, there are fundamental questions that we need to ask in regards to fake fertilizer so that we get to the bottom of the matter. Number two, Mr. Speaker, there are some counties which are selling fertilizer at almost double the price of national government, like Kakamega, who are my neighbors. Is there no synergy between the national government and county government on programs like fertilizer subsidy? Those are the issues. So, Mr. Speaker, I want to request the committee to look at the matter of subsidized fertilizer holistically, fake fertilizer and other issues around it, so that our people get value of money.
Do you wish to be informed by Senator Chalage? He wants to inform you on
Mr. Speaker, I don't want any information.
Proceed.
From Chalage. Mr. Speaker, I also want to comment on the statement by Senator Mudama on the issue of approved budget for Machakos County and the suppliers. Mr. Speaker, this is a very, very important statement, and how I would wish the committee to consider doing the same for all the counties. Because I think what Senator Mudama wants to achieve is to know the identity of the suppliers in the county of Machakos. Mr. Speaker, we have people in the counties, people who are senior officials in the county who trade with the counties, either using proxy companies or using companies in their name. My county is one of them, and I've been observing them. Wherever they are, if they are listening to me, they should know that the Senator of Higa is seeing what we are doing, and I'm coming for you. We want to know who are the real owners of this company. And these companies, you have a company doing all the jobs in the county. They are the ones doing the roads, they are the ones doing the hospitals, they are the ones supplying things. Mr. Speaker, as a Senate, we must rein into this. You find people are chief officers, others are CECs, doing business with our counties. Mr. Speaker, all this defeats the purpose, the spirit of devolution. I think the committee should expand the statement and do the same for all the counties, 47 counties, so that we ensure that devolution makes sense and businesses which opportunities available in our counties are shared within the counties, not by a few unscrupulous people who do business with our money, who do corruption in our counties, and make money, become billionaires when our people are suffering. Mr. Speaker, I support the two statements.
Thank you. Senator Chute